Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the great vegetable debate, raw versus cooked. Vegetables are essential for good health. They provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber. But there's a debate about the best way to eat them, raw or cooked. Both have pros and cons. Let's explore the differences. Raw vegetables are packed with nutrients. They contain enzymes that can aid digestion. However, some people find them hard to digest. This can be due to the fiber content. Cooked vegetables are easier to digest. The heat breaks down the fiber. However, cooking can reduce some nutrients. The best approach depends on your body and preferences. Listen to your body and choose what feels best. Nature's helpers, enzymes, and digestion. Enzymes are like tiny workers in our bodies. They help break down food into smaller pieces. These pieces can then be absorbed and used by our bodies. Raw vegetables naturally contain enzymes. These enzymes can assist with digestion. Different enzymes break down different things. Some target carbohydrates, while others focus on proteins or fats. When we eat raw vegetables, we consume these helpful enzymes. This can give our digestive system a helping hand. Cooking vegetables at high temperatures can destroy these enzymes. This is one reason why some people find raw vegetables easier to digest. They benefit from the enzymes present in the raw form. However, even without these enzymes, our bodies are capable of digesting vegetables. Our digestive system produces its own enzymes. So cooked vegetables are still a valuable part of a healthy diet. When digestion goes wrong. Low stomach acid and gut bacteria. Digestion is a complex process. It involves many factors, including stomach acid and gut bacteria. Stomach acid helps break down food. Gut bacteria play a role in nutrient absorption. Low stomach acid can make it harder to digest food, including vegetables. This can lead to discomfort, bloating, and nutrient deficiencies. Signs of low stomach acid include indigestion, heartburn, and feeling full quickly. Gut bacteria also play a crucial role. A diverse and balanced gut microbiome helps us digest food effectively. When bad bacteria outweigh good bacteria, it can disrupt digestion. If you experience frequent digestive issues, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. They can help identify any underlying problems and recommend solutions. The case for cooked easier on the stomach. Cooked vegetables have their own set of benefits. Cooking softens the fiber in vegetables. This makes them gentler on our digestive system. For people with sensitive stomachs, cooked vegetables can be easier to tolerate. Additionally, cooking can make certain nutrients more available. For example, cooking tomatoes increases the availability of lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant linked to various health benefits. However, it's important to note that cooking can also reduce some nutrients. Water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and B vitamins, can be lost in the cooking water. To minimize nutrient loss, try steaming or stir-frying vegetables. These methods help retain more nutrients compared to boiling. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles offer a unique advantage. They undergo a process of fermentation where beneficial bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid. Lactic acid acts as a natural preservative. It also gives fermented foods their tangy flavor. More importantly, the fermentation process pre-digests the vegetables. This pre-digestion makes fermented vegetables easier to digest, even for those with sensitive stomachs. They're also a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Adding a serving of fermented vegetables to your meals can be a delicious way to support digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. Section 6. Listen to your body. Finding the right balance. The key to a healthy diet is balance and variety. Instead of focusing on one right way to eat vegetables, listen to your body's cues. If you find raw vegetables easily digestible and enjoyable, include them in your diet. If cooked vegetables sit better with you, focus on incorporating them into your meals. Experiment with different cooking methods to find what you enjoy most. And don't forget about the power of fermented vegetables to add flavor and digestive support. The most important thing is to consume a variety of vegetables in ways that you find appealing and digestible. Section 7. Practical tips for eating more vegetables. Incorporating more vegetables into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some practical tips. Start your day with vegetables. Add spinach to your smoothie, mushrooms to your omelet, or tomatoes to your toast. Snack on vegetables. Keep cut-up vegetables like carrots, celery, and bell peppers readily available for snacks. Make vegetables the star of your meals. Try vegetarian recipes, such as veggie stir-fries, stuffed bell peppers, or lentil soups. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Focus on adding more vegetables to your diet in ways that you enjoy. Section 8. The power of fermented vegetables. Fermented vegetables offer a unique set of benefits. They're not only delicious, but also incredibly good for your gut health. Here's why you should consider adding them to your diet. Probiotic powerhouse. Fermented vegetables are teeming with beneficial bacteria that can help restore balance in your gut. Enhanced digestion. The fermentation process breaks down the vegetables, making them easier to digest and absorb nutrients. Immune system support. A healthy gut is linked to a strong immune system, and fermented vegetables can help support both. Try incorporating a variety of fermented vegetables like sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles into your meals. Enjoy them as a condiment, side dish, or topping. Section 9. Your Vegetable Challenge. A journey to better health. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into action. I challenge you to embark on a journey of gradually increasing your vegetable intake, especially raw vegetables. Start by adding a serving of raw vegetables to your diet each day. Observe how your body responds. Do you feel more energized? Is your digestion smoother? Keep a journal to track your progress and note any changes you experience. This will help you understand how your body responds to different types of vegetables and preparation methods. Remember, everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body, adjust your approach as needed, and enjoy the journey to better health. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Have you tried this before? We'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay healthy.